So today we're moving from Baja back to Sapa with a walk down to Cat Village. Join me.
We seem to get a Californian at every walk.
We do. It's like bonus Californian every walk. So yeah, we went on a little trek downhill from the clouds, starting off this morning about 8:30, bit of a lie-in this morning really, and then to Cat Village, which has been quite a pleasant morning. We've dropped down under the cloud cover, which has been great because otherwise we were just completely enveloped in the drizzle again. I found my guide from a couple of days ago. I was able to show my gratitude and appreciation to her, which I was pleased about. I was feeling a little bad about not being able to do that on the day. And then yeah, we're just headed back now. Got a nice uphill climb going back to Sapa Village. You'll see now we've got a nice little walk back. Yeah, I haven't got the big microphone with me, so you'll have to excuse the audio on this one. I'll try and speak up a little bit. But yeah, we've got a wee while walk back. Yeah, back in the clouds, 2k back to Sapa.